After I have dinner with my family, I take a shower. Then I enter to my bedroom to prepare mattress and blanket. But before I sleep, I do my homework and review some lessons such as math, physics, chemistry and English. Then I watch television for 30 minutes in my bedroom. When I get ready for bed, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. Then I go to bathroom. Next I put on my pajamas. My bedroom is beautiful because I decorate by colorful picture and some flower in my room. I clean my room every morning. Then I lie down in my bed to go to sleep. I slept well until the morning. I love my bedroom.